Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this really beautiful Rattan Console that I purchased off Facebook Marketplace for only $10. So if you're interested to see how I style and piece it together, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this. Firstly, before you do anything, you always want to wash your furniture. I'm using this TSP heavy duty cleaner. It really helps to get the grime, the dirt, the dust off of the furniture that you're buying from someone else, but regular soap and water will work too. I can tell that this Rattan piece is super old, probably hasn't been washed in forever, so I'm making sure to get all the corners, all the little nooks and crannies of this furniture as much as I can get before I start styling it and decorating. So I'm using this paint by Country Chic and Licorice to paint this plant that I have around the house. It's a faux plant. I haven't figured out, well, I didn't know what I wanted to do with it, but now I'm going to add it to the aesthetic of the Rattan piece at my entryway. So this is me just painting it black. It's a chalk paint, so it comes off very chalky, not shiny at all, and that's exactly what I'm going for. So now for the fun part, placement. This candle that I'm going to be putting down is actually a repurposed candle holder because I really like the container itself, and so I had some soy vegan wax that I just created a candle. The fragrance is a little weak, so I'm still working on my candle making skills, but it looks good. So I have these really great books that I think the cover colors contrast really well with the overall console. So I'm just making sure that it's nicely even in the middle and it's well aligned. So I'm definitely not the best driller, but I have this green tape that's marked exactly how high I want my painting to be, and I'm just hanging it up and putting everything together. So I had to show off my little cutie Yoshi. He's been patiently waiting like a good little boy while I create content, but he's definitely over it. So yeah, this is the final results. I think it came out pretty good for a $10 investment. All the accessories that I used today were already in my house, so I didn't really have to purchase anything outside of the Rattan Console, and I think it came out pretty cute. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Feel free to like it and subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you next time. Bye!